How to reserve a table in a restaurant via Google Maps. Have you ever traveled to a city or country as a tourist? As you browse the map to find your way around, have you ever wanted to book a table at a restaurant you found on the maps? If the answer is yes, stay until the end of the video and find out how you can do it. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, you need to find the place you want. We will promote New York as a destination. Once you have opened the destination from the menu located just below the search bar, find the restaurant section and tap on it. As you can see, a list of restaurants will open. If you look a little closer at the options offered by the maps, you can see that in addition to some restaurants, you can also reserve a table for them in addition to the direction to them. When you tap on this option, a window will open in which you can choose the date and time for when you want the table. And that is all. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.